Hi guys, Wrike and Asana are two of the most popular project management solutions today, but which one should you be using? To help you make an informed decision, I'll explain the main differences between Wrike and Asana, and we'll consider 5 criteria to see how these two tools stack up. We'll leave the link in the description, you can use it, you can start with the free version, and if you like it more, you can upgrade risk-free. And thank you for using the links in the description. So let's find out which is better for you. For the ease of use, let's start with Wrike. During my trial period, I found Wrike to be particularly easy to use. Even though I had some prior experience with Wrike, the newer version was much simpler and different than before. Navigation was a breeze, with all the necessary functions located either on the main menu at the top, or the screen, or on the left sidebar. The collapsible subfolder system was especially useful for organizing my projects and tasks. As a project manager, I appreciated that I could quickly locate most of the significant functions with little to no guidance. Now let's talk about Asana. According to one of their lead developers, their goal was to provide users with maximum functionality while maintaining an easy user experience. Asana's user interface is simple and convenient with a traditional design. The navigation menu is on the left, user options and help center are on the top right corner, and the task management window is in the center of the screen. I can view all my tasks in list, timeline, or calendar format, and these options are listed right under the project name. Asana's user interface is not only effortless to navigate, but also offers various task management views to choose from when planning projects. So who's the winner in terms of usability? It's a tough call, but Asana takes the cake. While both tools make a significant effort to provide a near foolproof user experience, Asana's extremely simple user interface gives it an edge over Wrike's project subfolders and other quirks. And for the features? Wrike offers so many features it's hard to narrow down which ones really stand out. Although it isn't the prettiest project management tool, it has a variety of choices when it comes to task tracking, making it ideal for different types of projects. Whether you need a Kanban system, Gantt timeline chart, or a simple task list, Wrike has got it all. In terms of task management and collaborative aspects, Wrike's functions are pretty standard. However, it really stands out in the elaborate report building system. Wrike does a lot of the heavy lifting for you and helps you measure your project management plan, including task completion times, project issues, and project budgets. Building reports is simple and easy. On the other hand, Asana is a collaboration tool and gives you the variety you're looking for when it comes to task management. Whether you're in need of task lists, Gantt timeline charts, Kanban boards, or shared team calendars for your project management process, Asana has got you covered. But the lack of financial management features or in-depth reporting is a major oversight. What sets Asana apart is its unique workload tracking feature, which allows you to track and set limits on each individual workload in real time, preventing burnouts and encouraging your team to stay on top of their current tasks. This proves that Asana is more than just a management tool. It's a team-building tool focused on improving relationships between managers and their teams to improve efficiency. So at the end of the day, Wrike wins based on the availability of core features, like project reporting, although Asana's unique features are great. Wrike covers all your needs and offers a range of functions that can be useful for various products. And for the integration, Wrike offers a long list of integrations with popular apps like Salesforce, Tableau, Microsoft Teams, Google Hangouts, Google Drive, Adobe Creative Cloud, Microsoft Outlook, and Slack. With these integrations, you can easily plan, manage, and execute your projects from every angle. Moving on to Asana, they also offer a range of app integrations that can help you manage every aspect of your projects, including some not offered by Asana's core features. These integrations include Adobe Creative Cloud, Dropbox, Microsoft Outlook, Slack, Google Calendar, Everhour Reporting, Trello, and MailChimp. So who wins in terms of integration capabilities? Well, it's a tie. Both Wrike and Asana offer integrations with some of the most popular Office suites, calendars, and team collaboration platforms. So if integrations are your focus, you can't go wrong with either Wrike or Asana. And for the pricing, Wrike's pricing system is pretty affordable considering all the functionality it provides. They even offer a free option, which is perfect for small teams. However, one drawback is that they cap the number of users in each pricing tier. Unlike Asana, which prices their tiers based on features alone. So keep that in mind when making your decision. Now let's dive into Wrike's pricing tiers. The free version includes simple tasks for unlimited users. The professional tier costs $9.80 per user per month and offers full project planning and collaboration features for up to 25 users. For larger teams, the business tier costs $24.80 per user per month and includes all previous features plus additional customization abilities and detailed reporting. If you're a marketer or need a tailor-made system, pricing is negotiated with a client in the Enterprise and Pinnacle tiers. Moving on to Asana, they also offer a free version, which is great for beginners. However, the paid options in their pricing tiers can add up over time, especially if you opt for the business option, which includes unique workload features and integrations. Asana's basic version is free and includes task lists, Kanban boards, calendars, app integrations, and up to 15 users. The premium tier costs $10.99 per user per month, with an annual contract and offers all previous features plus timelines, advanced searches, custom field creation, premium Asana Academy content, and admin privileges. The business tier costs $24.99 per user per month, with an annual contract and includes all previous features plus portfolio, workload, forms, automatic proofing, and Adobe Creative Cloud integration. As for Enterprise, pricing is negotiated with the client and includes all previous features plus user provisioning, data exporting, custom branding, and priority support. And for the team sizes, when it comes to project management software, both Asana and Wrike are solid options. However, the size of your team should be a key factor in determining which tool is the best fit for you and your business. For individuals or freelancers, Asana is the way to go. Asana Basic, their free tier, should be enough for most single users. While it doesn't include subtasks or dependencies, Basic provides essential features such as task creation, list view, board view, and calendar view. Basic also supports up to 15 collaborators. If you need more than the free tier offers, Asana Premium is packed with features like milestones, dependencies, subtasks, timeline, and advanced reporting. However, Premium might be overkill for most single-person projects. For mid-sized teams, Wrike is the better option. Wrike's folder structure allows for deep organization of projects with subfolders within a project. This feature is especially helpful for teams dealing with unruly projects. The business tier and above offer built-in time tracking and a large amount of storage, while the document versioning history feature is great for keeping track of changes to documents. To sum up, Asana is better for individual projects due to its free tier and support for up to 15 collaborators. Wrike is better for mid-size and large teams due to its folder structure and built-in time tracking and document versioning. So, choosing between Wrike and Asana depends on your business and your needs. Both project management tools come with advantages and disadvantages, so there's no best option. It will depend on your current needs. Other than that, it's up to you. So yeah, that's it for this video. You can check the links in the description, and that helps a lot. Thank you. And hopefully this video will help you out. If it did, please leave a comment and click the like button. That helps too. And goodbye for now.